What exactly is dry cleaning? It's likely a question that you have asked yourself on numerous occasions. Let's know what is dry cleaning. In the simplest of terms, dry cleaning is a cleaning process for clothing and textile using a chemical solvent rather than water. Despite its name, dry cleaning is not a dry process. Clothes are soaked in a liquid solvent. Tetrachloroethylene, which the industry calls PARC, is the most widely used solvent. Alternative solvents are trichloroethylene and petroleum spirit. Dry cleaning can be beneficial for garments made from the fiber that don't react well when exposed to water, like silk and wool. It's also good for the garments that should not be exposed to the heat of a traditional dryer. Steps involved in cleaning process. Inspection and tagging process. When you take your garments into cleaners, the dry cleaners create a tag for your items. This is also when your clothes are examined for any stain, missing button, tear, etc. Pre-spotting. In pre-spotting process, they will apply a chemical solvent, vacuum or heat to stains on your garments, which helps to remove the stain during the actual cleaning process. The dry cleaning process. This is the part we never see. Once our clothes have been pre-spotted, our clothes are placed into a cleaning machine and submerged into non-water-based solvent. The clothes are then floated in a perforated cylinder where the cleaning solvent releases a steady amount throughout the entire process. From there, the machine rapidly spins the clothes to get rid of any excess solvent and releases warm air. Your clothes emerge completely dry. And finally, finishing. Once your clothes have gone through the complete dry cleaning process, they are pressed, steamed or ironed for presentation. This is the part we love because it makes our clothes look and feel amazing.